The show starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hello, American Rod Shop family. Thank you all for joining me here in the after show tonight. My name is Solon, and with 35,000 subscribers and going strong, this is your YouTube channel for finding great automotive entertainment and great classic cars and trucks for sale. Tonight, we're going to feature a lot of great automotive entertainment for the next 20 minutes, including having some automotive trivia. How well do you know your automotive history? We will find out who won that Hot Wheels that we gave away in the last after show video, and we'll showcase another Hot Wheels to be given away in the next upcoming after show video. Plus, we will check out some vintage car commercials, and don't forget, if you are watching this as a live premiere tonight, then come over to the live chat and join us where everybody's talking about classic cars. Now, if you haven't seen it, please check out the video that I dropped on Saturday night. A lot of wild, crazy, classic, cool cars in that one that are up for sale. And the question has to be asked, would you dare drive any of these? Check it out. I think you'll find it very interesting. But right now, let's go ahead and get into some automotive trivia with question number 1. Now, there are 3 questions in tonight's episode, and these will be all about the Oldsmobile Corporation. Which Oldsmobile model became famous for its futuristic design and front-wheel drive in 1966? Was it the Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme? Was it the Oldsmobile D88? Was it the Oldsmobile Toronado? Or was it the Oldsmobile 98? If you know that answer, go ahead and drop it over in the comments right now for fun. We'll check everybody's answer at the end of the video, find out who got what right. Okay, it's time to find out who won that beautiful 57 T-Bird Hot Wheels car with white wall tires that we gave away in the last after show. And to find out who won it, we're going to go over to the raffledash.com website where I'll put in the URL code for this video and I'll hit select comment. And the winner is Agnieszka Moxaldo. Okay, you've got approximately 7 days to contact me at AmericanRodShop@yahoo.com, and I'll give you details on how to collect your totally free prize and will not cost you a dime. And thanks to you and your wife for being a longtime viewer all the way from the great country of Poland. You guys listen to the live show over there at the wee hours of the morning, and I appreciate that dedication. Also, if you would, please like, subscribe, and share. It will not cost you a dime, but will help this little channel to grow. Now let's check out this new segment called People in Their Cars, where we're going to be looking at some old vintage photos of people posing with their cars or either caught in a picture with their cars. Should be very interesting to check it out, so let's get into that. Trivia question number 2. Which Oldsmobile model was famous for being the first car to offer a turbocharged engine in an American production car? Was it the Oldsmobile F85, or the Oldsmobile Jetfire, or the Oldsmobile Dynamic 88, or the Oldsmobile Starfire? If you know which one of those it was, then go ahead and drop your answer over in the comments right now for fun. We're going to check everybody's answer at the end of the video. Okay, let's jump into the Wayback Machine with Mr. Peabody and Sherman and find out if you remember these.
Plymouth is out to win you over this year.
Plymouth is out to win you over with the 67 Fury. Young, good looks that make a promise that's kept behind the wheel. Up to 440 cubic inches of Super Commando V8. Your option. And the luxury makes it hard to believe you're still in the low price field. Go ahead. Lose your heart.
Plymouth is out to win you over this year. Follow your heart to your Plymouth dealer today. Plymouth is out to win you over this year.
Plymouth is out to win you over with the 67 Valiant. As easy on your pocketbook as it is on your eyes. You'll have to keep reminding yourself it's a compact. Unexpected extras and unexpected luxury make Valiant a win-you-over buy. Up front, plenty of power, yet it's the compact that still carries a compact price.
Plymouth is out to win you over this year. Follow your heart to your Plymouth dealer today.
Ambassador, the now car that gives you the rich driving experience of the red carpet ride. Ambassador, full-size luxury created for today. With road cushioning suspension, velvet tone performance, the luxury of the red carpet ride. Ambassador, an uncompromising selection of automobiles with the red carpet ride. Priced for people who want their luxury now. At your American Motors Rambler dealer now.
Is the 1968 Chrysler. No car moves or looks quite like it. Disappearing headlights, 440 cubic inch V8, new options, an 8-track stereo tape system, and 50 others. Only car in its class that still makes no smaller versions. That's why so many people are making their move up to Chrysler.
Okay, now you're gonna get it. Mustang GTCS, built for the West, inspired by the Shelby GT, with fog lamps, side scoops, and spoiler, all at a Mustang price. Mustang GTCS.
The man, Carroll Shelby, engineer, race driver. The car, the Shelby Mustang GT.
To build my kind of car, I had to take an existing car and modify it. I could have chosen any set of wheels I wanted. I picked Mustang. Mustang is styled right, lean and strong looking, not fat and round. And Mustang has that long list of features and options. I'll tell you, when it comes to imitations, I've seen some, but competition for the original, I haven't seen any. Only Mustang makes it happen. These aren't just words, it's a fact.
They respected Liz in the lab. She was a PhD. But no one knew how much fizz there was to Liz until...
Only Mustang makes it happen. Only Mustang makes life great. Mustang moves you. Mustang grooves you. Mustang 68.
In her 68 Mustang Fastback, the PhD was pure TNT. Mustang 68. With great options like stereo radio and selection. Mustang, the original, a better idea than ever for 68. Nowadays, things are really bubbling because, as Liz can tell you, a PhD helps, but...
Only Mustang makes it happen. Mustang 68.
Ford has a better idea.
Now, light up your life with Ford's newest bright idea. Torino 68. GT Fastback. A neat, tough package that promises action and delivers. Turn on the GT feeling in deep bucket seats. Power flows from a choice of 5 famous Ford V8s through a Synchromesh 4 on the floor. Glowing performance at a surprisingly low price. And that beautiful stripe will tell the whole world this is genuine GT. Torino, the new luxury series in the action size that Fairlane invented. Torino, 6 bright new ideas for 68. Ford has a better idea.
Trivia question number 3. In what year did Oldsmobile introduce the Rocket V8 engine? Was it 1947? Was it 1948? Was it 1949? Or was it 1950? Like I said before, if you know that answer, drop it over in the regular comments right now for fun. We'll check everybody's answer here in just a few minutes, find out who got all these right or not. All right, let's check out the vintage Hot Wheels car that's showcased for this week. In 1981, Hot Wheels released a wide variety of Hot Wheels, which included one of the more popular ones as shown in this segment. Released in 1981, this one was called Very Funny and was a funny car style Corvette Hot Wheels dragster in which the body would lift up on it to display the motor, just like real funny car dragsters. It had large slicks on the rear, small tires on the front, and was very detailed with beautiful graphics and different color paint jobs. The one you see featured here sold originally for around 69 cents, and if you can find one of these today still mint on the card, it goes for around $200. Alrighty, it's time to check out the trivia answers and find out how many of these 3 you got correct. Hopefully you got all 3 of them right. First one up was, which Oldsmobile model became famous for its futuristic design and front-wheel drive in 1966? Well, if you chose the Oldsmobile Toronado, you are correct. In 1966, Oldsmobile changed the game with the Toronado, America's first front-wheel drive car in over 3 decades. It wasn't just about innovation, because under the hood a massive 425 cubic inch V8 engine roared with 385 horsepower, proving front-wheel drive could be powerful. With its bold fastback design and smooth handling, the Toronado won Motor Trend's Car of the Year and set new standards for American luxury and performance. Question number 2. Which Oldsmobile model was famous for being the first car to offer a turbocharged engine in an American production car? Well, if you chose the Oldsmobile Jetfire, you are correct. In 1962, Oldsmobile made history with the Jetfire, America's first turbocharged production car. Built on the compact F-85 platform, the Jetfire packed a punch with its turbo rocket V8, producing 215 horsepower, an impressive feat for the time. Trivia question number 3. In what year did Oldsmobile introduce the rocket V8 engine? Well, if you guessed 1949, you are correct. In 1949, Oldsmobile revolutionized the auto industry with the introduction of the rocket V8 engine. This powerful 5.0-liter 135 horsepower engine set a new standard for speed and performance with its high compression design. The Rocket V8 delivered unmatched acceleration, making Oldsmobile the go-to brand for performance seekers. Okay, that's your trivia answers. I hope you got all 3 of those correct. Now, if you like automobile trivia, be sure to check out some of my other after show videos. There are a lot of great trivia in those videos as well. Okay, and here is the Hot Wheels that we're going to be giving away in the next upcoming after show video. And this one is a very rare royal blue 1957 Chevrolet hot rod. Now the top is solid blue as well. The picture just kind of gave it a faded look, but it's all solid blue. It has a roll pleated interior, 5-spoke mags, side pipes, beautiful little Hot Wheels. This came from the flea market deal that I bought. A very rare one to find. Now if you'd like a chance and an opportunity to win this car, then all you got to do is these 4 things. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Hit the like button for this video. Then put the word Rare57 over in the comments and then enter often. If you'll do those 4 things, then you'll be entered in for a chance and an opportunity to win. And we'll draw for it in the next upcoming after show video. Thanks everybody for watching. I just want to let you know that you are loved and appreciated, and I'll see all you guys and gals in the next upcoming video.